Just outside of Dubrovnik, you can find some incredible natural landscapes, many of which really lend themselves to winemaking. So I have come to Editorial winery, where they have a product which is really quite extraordinary. Sure, they grow the grapes on land just like everybody else, but then the wine is aged at the bottom of the ocean. I'm going to go and check out exactly how this all works. So tell me, why do you put the wine in the sea?
Because in the 20 meters in the sea, all year we have same temperature. It is 15 degree, and that is the best for keeping red wine.
Nice, it's like a natural cellar.
Yes.
Surely people thought you were mad when you first decided to put wine under the sea.
Yes, when you put the wine in the sea, everybody is smiling. You are crazy, what are you doing?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I would think.
And now they say, oh, I'm sorry.
So I cannot wait to taste this wine now, but it's just not that simple. First of all, I've got to hop on a boat, head out onto the glittering Adriatic, pop on my scuba gear, and then dive down to this underwater cellar to pick out my very own bottle of the good stuff. I'm a champion of the ocean! Mwah! I've got my treasure that was buried deep beneath the ocean. This is my very own bottle of wine. I cannot wait to crack it open.
Hello!
Hi guys, look what I found. Oh my god. That might actually be the best red wine I've ever had.
Really?